I'm going to give some tips on how to be educated. We're just going to jump straight into this video. My first tip is to build a strong foundation. Focus on core areas that will help you understand the world, like language, communication, so that will be reading well, writing clearly, speaking thoughtfully, math, basic math, reasoning, and problem solving. Science, how evidence works, how the natural world functions, history, how societies evolve, how power and institutions work. You do not need to master everything, just enough to think clearly and ask questions. The second tip is to learn how to learn. This matters more than memorizing facts. Ask why and how, not just what. Check sources and look for evidence. Compare different viewpoints. Be comfortable saying, I do not know, or I don't know yet. An educated person updates their beliefs when new information appears. My third tip is to read regularly and widely. Reading is one of the fastest ways to become educated. Nonfiction, history, science, psychology, economics, fiction, which builds empathy and understanding of human experience. Quality journalism keeps you informed about the present. Even if you read 15 to 30 minutes a day, compound over time, it's going to be so beneficial. And one thing that I love to do is when I'm on the treadmill, I will read while I'm on the treadmill. It's knocking two birds with one stone. Fourth tip is to think critically. Education isn't an agreement, it's an evaluation. Notice biases, including your own. Separate facts from opinions. Ask who benefits from an idea. Look for misinformation. Being educated means you can disagree respectfully and intelligently. 5. Learn from people, not just books. Talk to people with different backgrounds. Listen more than you speak. Learn practical skills from those who do them well. Experience and perspectives are a form of education too. 6. Develop practical skills. Education includes knowing how to function in the real world. Financial basics, as in budgeting, saving, and debt, health and self-care, problem solving, and adaptability. Now, my final tip is stay curious for life. Education doesn't end. Take courses online or in person, watch lectures or documentaries, reflect on what you learn, teach others. Teaching deepens understanding. In short, an educated person is curious, informed, thoughtful, humble, and always learning, never finished.